So when I travel, I get asked the question a lot, like what do I bring when I go off on my trips and travel? The most important thing that's in the bag is the camera. So in this case, it's a Sony a7S II body with, this is my, what I call my travel lens, my walkabout lens. It's a 24 to 70 2.8. If I want to be a bit more stealth mode, I use this 35mm 2.8 baby Gorilla Pod. Extra batteries, very important. Filter. Of course, I have a cleaning kit. I always bring this headlamp. What I always do is I always carry a garbage bag with me. It's the cheapest, most alternative way to stay dry, whether it's yourself or your camera gear. So that's it. As you can see, I like to travel quick and fast. I don't want to be a slave to my gear. I want my gear to work for me. And I hope you guys pick up some tips from there. Happy shooting. Hi, I'm Carlo Ledesma, and I'm a travel photographer.